Firstly, before starting anything, in order for you to actually use the text to image feature, you will need the application or the plugin which you're going to use to do these things. So, in order to find them, all you have to do is go to the app section right over here, click on that, and then just simply click on AI powered. And right over here, at the very top, you will find three applications: DALL-E, Imagen, and Magic Media. Now, these three currently are the best text-to-image tools that you can find on Canva. Now, these are all made by different companies, as you can see right over here. The Magic Media is made by Canva itself. The Imagen over here is made by Google, and DALL-E is made by OpenAI, as you can see right over here. Now, the feature is mostly same in all three of them, but you will find more features in the Magic Media option, because over here you will have the option to change styles and moods. So if you want a better and a detailed image generation, just simply go ahead and use this tool. And if you want to know how, I've already made a video on the channel that you can go and check it out. But for this video, I'll show you how to use DALL-E, because in DALL-E you will find more clear and realistic images. So let me show you how to use this tool over here. So firstly, all you have to do is just simply choose the tool, then click on use a new design. Now choose the type of design that you want. So for me, I just simply want a Instagram post and it's gonna be square. So just simply look for it. As you can see right over here, Instagram post square. And over here you will find the pixel size as well, which is gonna be 1080 by 1080. Now I'm gonna choose this. For you, it may be different. So just simply choose which one you want. Now wait for a few seconds and the DALL-E 2 tool should appear right over here. Now, for some reason, if your tool isn't available over here, let me show you how to find that. All you have to do is open a blank post where you're going to create stuff. Then go to the app section, and now over here just simply search for DALL-E or any other tool, and you will find it right over here. Now click on that, and then you will have the tool right over here. And now to use this, the only thing that you have to do is, when you will write a prompt, be as specific as you possibly can. Let me show you. So over here you will have an option of surprise me. So if you press on this option, it gave us a random prompt. As you can see right over here, there are a lot of details that are given inside the image to be more specific and what exactly the image should look like. It is all specified in this single prompt. So in order for you to get the best result, you have to also add as much detail as possible, because only then the AI of the text to image generator will give you promising results. So let me show you what the example will look like. So if I click on generate over here, and as you can see right over here, it gave us few variations. Now, depending on which one you like, just simply click on that and it will automatically transfer on the canvas over here. Now just simply resize it, and now you will have your AI image. Now let me show you a live example of how you can use this tool. So I want to create a post for my Instagram page, and the post is going to be surrounding a quote, and what I want is a floral background image for my quote. So let me enter a simple prompt over here. So as you can see right over here, I have added a simple prompt. Now just simply click on generate, and now just simply wait for the variants. So as you can see right over here, I got this type of image. Now all you have to do is make this image as a background, and now just simply select the image, click on edit photo, then go to the blur option over here, and then just simply increase the intensity over here a little bit, and now add a text box. So click on the text option right over here and choose this text over here, and now right over here just simply add your text, whatever you want to add. So after you have added your text, it's time to modify it a little bit. So just simply do the modifications. So after the modifications are done, you can just simply download the image now. So go to the share option, then download, then choose PNG over here and click on download, and then simply save the image and you're good to go. So that's how you use text to image tool in Canva. So if you would like to subscribe to Canva, you can find the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.